So I still remember it was the last year of the same Diwali month where I have started developing my interest and confidence towards my YouTube channel, and I have completed a year about. So the way I wrote down a poem last year on the theme of Diwali, in that same manner I wrote down a poem yesterday on the theme of Diwali. So, in this poem, I have tried to show my perspective or my opinion towards celebrating this festival, and I hope that after I complete the recitation of the poem, you will come to know the purpose of writing down this poem and why I have tried to give it my version. So, the name of my poem is The True Light of Diwali. The lines of my poem are as follows. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of light. When Lord Rama returned, our hearts shone bright. After 14 years of long exile, after 14 years of long exile, Ayodhya sparkled and no one felt alone. Let's keep the spirit alive. Let's keep the spirit alive with peace and care in our heart and mind. Let's show the earth we truly care. Let's show the earth we truly care for a green, clean, and fair Diwali. So, this is that poem I wrote down. Now, what this poem is trying to convey the message that is important. So Diwali is not just the festival of lights and joy, but more than that, it is a story of sacrifice by Lord Rama, who was the king of Ayodhya. Lord Rama left his home, he left his comfort, his position, his throne, and also his crown, just to keep his promise. So let's not forget his noble way of fulfilling his promise, then leading a luxurious and comfortable life. And at the same time, we should also keep this in mind. Our green and blue planet Earth is already surviving a lot, facing a lot of issues for with regards to pollution. So we should celebrate this Diwali, in such a way wherein we are not harming the environmental balance and at the same time the innocent animals, because when we burn any crackers, the animals get scared of the sound very rapidly. So we should avoid burning crackers at the best possible ways. I have also observed that many children, they are only knowing the fact of burning crackers and lighting up the lamps and the diyas, but what is the story behind celebrating this wide and vibrant festival like Diwali is still unnoticed and untouched. So I would suggest children should know the story behind celebrating this festival. And last but not the least, I wish everyone out there happy, prosperous and healthy Diwali. So thank you everyone for listening to me and giving me all your love and blessing towards my passion, that is to impart knowledge in every way possible. Bye bye and see you soon.